Yeah. Uh.
Hello children, this video for our grade 8 kids. Here we are going to discuss the first term test paper in Northwestern Province year 2018. මේ වීඩියෝ එක පුතේ අපේ 8 වසරේ දූල පුතාලට. ඉතින් අපි අද කතා කරන්නේ පළවෙනි වාර විභාගයට අදාළව 8 ශ්‍රේණියේ සිසුන්ට ලබා දුන් වයඹ පළාත් ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රය. It is better to write the answer before watch this video. මේ වීඩියෝ එක බලන්න කලින් ඔයාලා උත්තර ලියලා ඉන්නවා නම් වඩාත් හොඳයි. Anyway, let's go to our video. This is the first question in the part 1. What is our question? Which square number is 16? Square number. අපි කියනවා සමචතුරස්‍ර සංඛ්‍යා. Okay, you all know the general term of the square number pattern. What is this? මොකද්ද සමචතුරස්‍ර සංඛ්‍යා රටාවේ සාධාරණ පදේ? We take n square. N square. We can find any square numbers using this general term. Let's discuss an example. You have to find the 12th square number. Then what can you do? We multiply 12 again 12. The answer is 144. Okay, our questions. 16 කියන්නේ මොන සමචතුරස්‍ර සංඛ්‍යාවද කියලා අහන්නේ. Then we can write 16 equal 4 into 4. You all know 4 into 4, 16. Then and equal 4. You know your answer is 4. That is 4th square number. This is our second question. Find the perimeter of the given figure in terms of A. Find. සොයන්න the perimeter පරිමිතිය of the given figure දීලා තියෙන රූපේ in terms of A ඇසුරෙන් in terms of A ඇසුරෙන්. Normally we use the term perimeter only for the plane figures. පුතේ මේ වගේ white board එක වගේ තල රූප වල තමයි අපි පරිමිතිය කතා කරන්නේ. Okay, let's move to our figure. Here, what can you say about this figure? All four sides are equal in length. This side A, and A. This is the figure of a square. Make a සමචතුරස්‍රය. So, here we have to find the perimeter. Then, we take the sum of all four sides. මේ පාද හතරෙම දිගවල් වල එකතු අපි ගන්නවා. Then, perimeter equal A plus A plus A plus A. Then here there are 4 A's. A ව හතරක් තියෙනවා. Then we can simplify. Write your answer for A. This is your answer. This is our third question. What is the complement of 40 degree? Complement. අනුපූරකය. Complement. අනුපූරකය. Okay. You all know the sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 90 degree. These two angles are complementary angles. I will discuss an example. I will take two adjacent angles PQR and RQT. The magnitude of this angle 60 degree. I will take this angle 30 degree. Now you can see the sum of these two angles 60 plus 30 90 degree. Then the angle PQT is equals to 90 degree. Then we tell the complement of the angle PQR is කියන්නේ PQR කියන කෝණේ complement එක අනුපූරකය කියන්නේ එතකොට අනිත් එක්කෙනා. මෙන්න මෙයා RQT. Likewise, the complement of RQT is PQR. ඒ විදිහටම RQT කියන කෝණේ complement එක තමයි පුතේ මේ තියෙන්නේ. PQR. Okay. Here we have to find the complement of 40 degree. අංශක 40 අනුපූරකය හොයන්න ඕන. එහෙනම් අපි බලනවා අංශක 90 හැදෙන්න අවශ්‍ය අනිත් කෝණය මොකක්ද කියලා. Then we can easily find by subtracting 40 from 90 degree. Then your answer is 50. Your fourth question. What is the additive inverse of -2? Additive inverse. ආකල ප්‍රතිලෝමය. -2 ගේ ආකල ප්‍රතිලෝමය මොකක්ද කියලා අහන්න. It is very easy to find. I will take -2. Then the number is not changed. The same number. But here the sign is changed. මේ sign එක වෙනස් වෙනවා. If the sign is minus, the sign of the additive inverse is plus. This is your answer. I will discuss few example. You have given -5. Then the additive inverse is, here the sign is minus, therefore the sign of the additive inverse is plus. Then -5, it becomes +5. If we take +7, the additive inverse is here plus, then we write -7. Then if you have given -3.5, what's the additive inverse? Here minus, then we write plus 3.5. Okay, this is your answer, +2. This is your fifth question. Find the value of A. Find the value of A. This is your figure. Before this, I want to recall your previous knowledge. Okay. You all know vertically opposite angles are created by intersection of two straight lines are equal each other. That means these two lines are straight lines. Therefore, this angle is equals to this angle. Likewise, these two angles are equal in magnitude. I will take my two hands. You can see my two hands are straight lines now. Okay. Here, these two angles are opposite angles. Therefore, these two angles are equal in magnitude. Likewise, these two angles are equal. Then, this is your figure. Here, you can see this line and these lines are straight lines. Therefore, this angle is equals to this angle, not A, this angle. Then we can write an equation A plus A equal 48. Then A plus A we can take 2A equal 48 degrees. Divide both sides by 2. Then here cut multiplication 2 to division 2. A equal 48 divided by 2, 24. Find the value of -3 to the power 3. This is the index form. Darshakakarya. I am going to express this as a product. How? -3 to the power 3. We can write -3 into -3 into -3. 3 times. Then -3 into -3. Minus into minus plus. 3 into 3, 9. Then the answer for these two is 9. Then again multiply by -3. Now here, look at the signs. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. minus 9 times 3, 27. The answer is minus 27. Here we have to find the highest common factor of 4x square and 2xy. Highest common factor HCF. Maha Podu Sadhakaya. Then I will take these two. 4x square. Here I am going to express this as a product. Then first take the number 4. We want to write 4 as a product of its prime factor. How? If you difficult to find it, you can divide 4 with the prime factors. Divide by 2. Answer is 2. Again we can divide 2. Then 1. You can write for 2 into 2 and into x square. X square means x into x. X into x. I will take 2xy. It is very easy. 2 into x into y. 2 into x into y. Now I select common factor. Here you can see 2 is common and x is common. That's all. Then HCF is, I will take the common factor as a product of these two common factors. 2 into x. HCF is 2x. Next one, find the value minus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5. When we simplify, that means adding or subtracting directed numbers, we can use very simple method. That is, here, this is a case because here we have to subtract. I am going to change my question. How? Minus 3, I change minus as plus. Here I have done a wrong thing. Minus, here I take plus. Then I am going to recorrect this one. How? Here I write the additive inverse of minus 5. What's the additive inverse of minus 5? මොකද්ද පුතේ මෙයාගේ ආකල ප්‍රතිලෝමය? You all know plus 5. Now I convert this expression into another way. Okay. Then here you have to add. Let's check these two directed numbers. Then what is the signs of these two directed numbers? Here minus, here plus. Then signs are different to each other. Then here we take the difference of two values. මේ දෙන්නගේ වෙනස ගන්න වෙනවා. මොකද මේගොල්ලන්ගේ sign අසමානයි. කෙනෙක් minus අනිත් එක්කෙනා plus. Then we subtract 3 from 5. 5 minus 3, the answer is 2. Then I write 2 here. Then what's the sign? The sign is, here we put the sign of the largest value. The largest value is 5. The sign of the largest value is plus. Then put plus here. The answer is plus 2. I will take another example. I'm going to discuss of questions with addition. Here minus 7 plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4. Here we no need to change this sign because here addition. Then check the signs here. Here minus, here plus. Signs are different. Then take the difference of these two values. This is the largest value 7 and 4. 7 minus 4, 3. Now write 3 here. Then what the sign? Here the sign of the largest value is minus. Put minus here. The answer is minus Then in your questions, your answer plus 2. Your next question. Fill in the cage with suitable value. Suitable value. සුදුසු අගයක් යොදා හිස්තැන් පුරවන්න ඕන. මේ කොටුව පුරවන්න ඕනේ. Okay. Here first of all I want to teach you, when we multiplying two directed numbers with the same signs, I will take plus value multiplied by another plus value. The sign of the answer is plus. Likewise, minus into minus, the sign is plus. We say if multiplying two directed numbers with the same signs, plus plus, minus minus, the sign of the answer is plus. Then when we multiply plus into minus or minus into plus, the sign of the answer is minus. It is very easy to find. Then the same thing is happened to multiplication too. Division too. When we divide two directed numbers with the same signs, plus value divide by another plus value, the sign is plus your answer. Here also minus divide by minus value, the sign is plus. Here when we divide two directed numbers with the different signs, the sign of the answer is minus. Okay, here you have to divide. The sign here is minus and the sign of your answer is plus, forming plus 4. Now you have to take plus value. Then you all know we can take plus value by multiplying or dividing with the same sign. Therefore here minus, and here we want to put minus. Then how can we take 4? 12 divided by 3. Now your answer is minus 3. Here minus value divided by minus value, the sign is plus. Your 10th question. Write 4x square plus 8xy of a product of two factors. සාධක දෙකක product ගුණිතයක් විදියට මේක ප්‍රකාශ කරන්න ඕනේ, මේක ලියන්න ඕන. Okay. Then 4x square plus 8xy. First we consider the numbers 4 and 8. What's the HCF of these two? මේ දෙන්නගේ මහා පොදු සාධකය මොකක්ද? You all know 4 is the highest. 4 is also divided by 4, and this 8 also divisible by 4. Then let's consider the English letter, that means algebraic term. Here you can see x power 2, x to the power 2, and here x. Then you can take x as common. Then put the bracket. Now divide this term by 4x. Cut 4 to 4. X to the power 2 divided by x. Then x remain. Then sign is plus. It is not changed because the plus value divided by plus value. The answer is plus. Then 8 divided by 4. 2 x, cut x to x when we divide it. Then y remaining. This is your answer. 4x times x plus 2y. Your 11th question. Represent 3 to the power 2 by a square shape dot arrangement. Represent නිරූපණය කරන්න 3 to the power 2 by a square shape සමචතුරස්‍රාකාර හැඩය තියෙන dot arrangement. ඒ කියන්නේ තිත් සටහනකින් මේක නිරූපණය කරන්න ඕන. 3 to the power 2. We can write 3 into 3. 3 to the power 2 means 3 into 3. That's mean 3 rows and 3 columns. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. These are the dots. Now you can represent this one with dots like this. Here 3 rows and 3 columns. There are 9 dots. You all know 3 into 3 is equals to 9. This is your answer. My kids, do you know the square root of 5 to the power 2? Square root of 5 to the power 2. I say we can cut power 2 to square root 2. Then the answer is 5. Likewise, 8 to the power 2, square root of 8 to the power 2. Cut power 2 to square root. Then answer is 2. Do you agree with me? Okay. Then take 5 to the power 2. Square root of 5 to the power 2. Then this is the index form. I will express 5 to the power 2 as a product. Equal square root 5 to the power 2. I will write 5 into 5. 5 into 5. We can write 5 into 5. Then you all know 5 into 5, 25 square root. 25 square root of 25. What's the square root of 25? 5. Now the same answer. Okay. Then I will take my question 2 into 3 into 5 power 2 and square root. Then here we can cut power 2 to square root. The answer is 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3, 6. 6 times 5, 30. This is your answer, 30. This is your next question. Write 48 as a product of prime factors. Prime factors mean prathamaka sadaka. Product of ගුණිතයක් විදිහට as a product ගුණිතයක් විදිහට ලියන්නලු 48. Okay. Do you know prime numbers? Can you tell me prime numbers below 20? 1? Is that prime number? No. 1 is not a prime number. Then 2 is the smallest prime number. Then 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 like this. Okay. Then I divide 48. Divide 48 with prime numbers. Look at this. 48. Let's check. Can we divide by 2? Yes, we can divide. 48 divided by 2, 24. Again we can divide by 2. 12. Again we can divide 2, 6. Again 3. Now here we can't divide by 2. Then divide by 3. Answer is 1. Likewise we divide 48. Then you can express 48 as a product of these prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We can write 2 to the power 4. 2 is multiplied by 4 times. Then 2 to the power 4. And multiply by 3. You can write 3 to the power 1. Doesn't matter. Or 3. This is your answer. This is your next question. This question is related to your lesson square root. Okay, let's see. Circle the suitable digits. Circle වට කරන්න සුදුසු ඉලක්කම් which can be taken අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් as the unit placed එක ස්ථානයට of a perfect square පූර්ණ වර්ගවල එක ස්ථානයට ගන්න පුළුවන් ඒවා අපිට වට කරන්න කියලා කියනවා. Okay, let's see. Can you tell me square numbers, perfect squares. Let's write 1 is a perfect square. Next one 4, then 9. Fourth one 4 into 4, 16. Likewise 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Let's check the unit place. Here 1, here 4, 9, 6, 5, again 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. Here, can you see 2 here? No, you can't see. And 4 here, then we can circle it. 3, no. 5 here. Then 7 is not here. This is the theory part. We have learned this one in your lesson. Normally, not normally, always 2, 3 and 7 and 8. These digits cannot be seen in the ones place or unit place in the perfect square. මේ අපිට දකින්න බෑ. මේ ඉලක්කම් perfect square වල එක ස්ථානයේ තියෙන්න විදිහක් නැහැ. අනිත් ඒවා තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. Okay? Now this is your answer. Here subtract, අඩු කරන්න. You all know 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kilograms. 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kilograms. Keep it in your mind. Okay. Here you can see there are two units, metric ton and kilograms. Now subtract. Here 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 0 minus 4. Can we subtract 4 from 0? We can't. Now take 1 metric ton here. Now 1 metric ton means 1000 kilograms. Now here 0. Now if we take 1, it's become 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Here 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Now your answer is 630 kilograms. There are no any metric tons. Here you have given 1 by 1 square grid. එකේ වර්ග සෙන්ටිමීටර් එක ගානේ තියෙන කොටු දලක් ඔයාලට දීලා තියෙනවා. Here you have to find the area of shaded part. මේ අඳුරු කරපු කොටසේ වර්ගඵලය හොයන්න ඕන. Let's find the area of this square 1 and another 1 square centimeter. And what can you say about these 4? Here I will take like this. If I consider this rectangle, this triangle is half of the area of this rectangle. You can see here. Likewise, this is also a half of this rectangle. Now there are 4 squares, then here 4 square centimeter. Now I can take the half of the area of this 4 squares. Then here 1, 2, and the sum of these area of this figure I will take as 2, the half of this whole figure. Then 1, 1, and here 2. The area is 4 square centimeters. Your next question. Represent the ration of 3 rupees and 50 cents in the simplest form. With the simplest form, saralama ආකාරය, and represent the rations of. What make අනුපාතයක් ලියන්න ඕන. Okay. Here 3 rupees and 50 cents. 3 rupees and 50 cents. When we write a ratio, we must consider they are units. Here rupees and here cents. Metana rupial, metana shata. Then 3 rupees and 50 cents. The units are different to each other. Now we can convert rupees into cent. It is very easy. You all know the relationship between rupees and cents. What is that? 1 rupees equal for 100 cents. Rupialak shata 100කට සමානයි. Then 3 rupees, it is 300 cents and 50 cents. Now you can represent these two in a ratio 300 to 50. Then this is not the simplest form. You have to write this in simplest form. Now you can divide both sides with the same value. How? You all know 50 and 300, these two both value are divisible by 50. Then divide by 50. 300 divide by 50, 6. Cut 0 to 0 and 30 divided by 5, 6. 6 is to 50 divided by 51. Your answer is 6 is to 1. Height 1. Higher anu 1. Find the value of 16 metric ton and 45 kilograms divided by 5. When we divide in masses, it is very easy to find by expressing the given mass with kilograms. Here 16 metric tons and 45 kilograms. I am going to express this mass in kilograms. 16 metric tons mean 16,000 kilograms. 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kilograms. Then 16 metric ton, 16,000 kilogram and another 45 kilograms. Total 16,045 kilograms. Now divide. Here I will use long division. 16,045 kilograms divide by 5. 16 has 3 5s. 3 times 5, 15. 1 remain. Get 0 here. 10 has 2. 2 times 5, 10. And 0. Get 4 here. 4 has no any 5s. 0 times 5, 0. 4 remain. Get this 5. 45 has 9. 9 times 5, 45. This is your answer. 3,209 kilograms. We write this one with the metric ton and kilograms. 3 metric ton. 3,000 mean 3 metric ton and 209 kilograms. Question number 19. Find the number of triangles in the given figures. Triangles, trikona. Here, first I will take one triangle by one triangle. Here 1, 2, 3. Then take 2 by 2. These two triangles can be taken as one triangle. Then that is 4 and that is 5. Now there are 5 triangles and this whole figure is taken as another triangle. Total 6 triangles. Last question in your part 1. Give 5/2 as a percentage. දෙකෙන් 5 කියන එක ප්‍රතිශතයක් කරන්න ඕන. 5/2. When we convert a fraction to the percentage, you all know the denominator of the fraction should be 100. Now here 2. Then what can you do to take 100? I multiplied 2 by 50. 2 into 50, 100. The same thing is done for numerator, 50. 2 multiplied by 50, 5 multiplied by 50. Here I am going to find an equivalent fractions. 2 into 50, 100. 5 times 50, 250. Now denominator is 100. 250 over 100, we can write 250%. 100ට 250 100යට කියන අදහස යට තියෙන්නේ 100. 250 over 100, that's mean 250%. So kids, this is the end of my paper discussion of part 1. In next video we will meet again with part 2. So have a nice day.